Hi, you found Learning to Surf, where I analyze my surfing to help you with yours. I'm Nathaniel Fife, and today in this session, I've got 3 things that I'm going to talk about. First is paddling. This was a bigger day for us, and unfortunately it also came with a very short period. So paddling out was a challenge. To make matters worse, where I was paddling out at seemed to be like this reverse riptide where the water current just would not let me get up and onto the sandbar. And I didn't realize it until it had washed me south of the sandbar and I was finally able to get past it. With my 8-foot soft top, I was getting nowhere fighting that white water hitting me at like every 6 seconds. So when you're paddling out, you got to do a good job of choosing where to paddle out at. Look for a rip or at least somewhere that's easier. So this is where the waves are breaking last. So they're breaking closer to the shore, and the white water may be a bit choppier, but just isn't quite as powerful of a wall coming right at you. Also try to walk out to like chest deep so that you can conserve your arm strength and wait for a lull in the waves. And if you don't make it out on your first try, don't give up. You can take a break and regroup and then go out and try again. Just don't give up. This is how you're going to get stronger and better at it. Also with paddling is the technique. They always hear people say that you need to keep your chest high and arch your back because that way you can paddle with the bigger muscles of your back and just be more efficient. So I was really trying to do this session, and for someone like me with the rounded back from sitting at a desk job all day, arching my back took a ton of energy, and I thought I was doing it, but you can see in the footage that while it's higher than I normally have it, these other surfers definitely have their chests much higher, and they look just more efficient and effortless as they're paddling. So I got to keep working on that. Let me know in the comments if you have any tips for how to help get that back stronger and be able to arch the back more. So the next point is, as usual, angle the takeoff and pop up quickly. I messed up so many waves in this session because I didn't angle enough and I had a slow pop-up, and my pop-up seemed to be happening just as the surfboard the nose is tipping down the front of the wave, and it just make me become unstable and I'd fall over and waste the wave. So like always, angle the takeoff. I gotta focus my eyes, my face, my chest, and shoulders at the lip of the wave in the direction I want to go, and then pop up quickly into a stable crouch with a low center of gravity. And the last thing, on a good note, on the waves that I was able to catch, I did a pretty good job at using the entire face of the wave. I like how I'm trying to curve up and get to the top of the wave. I would like to see myself getting higher on the wave and having sharper and more powerful turns, but that's going to come with time. So I'm happy with what I see today. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Have fun and keep it real.